Hi, welcome back, children. So, in the sequence of Python question paper concept and the MCQs in Python to be expected in the exam, so I'm going to discuss this time Boolean type MCQs and relational and logical operators based MCQs. So, in my last videos, I discussed the questions MCQs on the basis of the tokens. So in that same sequence, I'm going to discuss this, and from now, means after this video, gradually we are entering the content of the syllabus. So be with us till the end of the video. So let's start. So here the first question is, which of the following expression is true? 2 greater than 6 and 6 less than 4. Is that true? No. 2 less than 6 and 6 less than 4. Is it true? No. 2 greater than 6 and 6 greater than 4. I think this is the correct option, because 2 less than 6 is true and 6 is greater than 4. So in this sort of operators, so if you look at the condition, so it is divided into two parts. Number one part is 2 greater than 6 and 6 greater than 4, and that is why you can observe that 2 greater than 6 is not the correct answer and 6 greater than 4 is the correct answer. So when you combine these condition using and logical operator, so it gives the false. And the last one, D section, option D, 2 less than 6, yes, this is correct, and 6 less than 4, this is not correct. So which should be the correct answer? So I think the second one is the correct answer, because 2 is less than 6, true, and 6 is greater than 4. So both the conditions are true, and that is why the result is true. So this is the correct answer. Now the next question, which of the following expressions is true? 2 greater than 6, false. So it cannot be true. 2 less than 6, it is true, but 6 greater than 14 is not true, and that is why this option is not correct. 2 greater than 6, false. 6 greater than 14 is also false. Now concentrating on option number D, 2 less than 6, yes, this is true, and 6 less than 14, this is also true, and that is why 2 less than 6 and 6 less than 14 is the correct option. So if you look at the option, I don't think the second one is correct, because I have also already told you that this option is not correct, and 2 greater than 6, this option is also not correct, but fourth option is correct, and that is why I am highlighting this question as this is the true option. Now next one is 3 greater than 2, true, and 2 greater than minus 2, this is also true, and that is why I think this option looks true. 3 greater than 2 and 2 greater than minus 2, so this option is correct. So let me check other ones. So I think the first one is the correct answer. Let me tell you how to recheck them. So to check them, we'll move to a collab. Now see the next question. Which of the following expression is true? 5 less than equal to 11 and 11 less than equals to 8. So 5 is less than equal to 11 is correct, but 11 is less than equal to 8 is not correct. Similarly, the second option, 5 greater than 11, so this is false. It's not true. 5 greater than equals to 11, this is not true. But 5 less than 11, 5 less than equals to 11 and 11 greater than equals to 8, this option is correct. So D option, I think this is the correct option. Okay. Now the next one. So if you look at the question, false and false or not false. So as per the hierarchy, so if you apply Boolean operator and Boolean operator not and Boolean operator or, so as far as the priority is concerned, precedence is concerned, not is given the priority. So if you look at the first, so false and false, this is actually binary operator this time. So false and false will give you the false result, or and not false is true. So false or true will give you true answer. So I think A option is the correct option. So see here. And not false is true. So false or true is true. And none of the other options is correct, and that is why option A is the correct. So next question is, which of the following expressions is true, false, or not false and false? Since false and false are in the parenthesis, so we have to uh, solve bracket, that is parenthesis. So false and false gives you false, and not of false will give you true, and false or true will give you true. So this is fully explained. So not of false and false is true, and false or true is the true answer. On the whole, the complete expression or option A is the correct option. This is true, and false or true is also true. So the option A is the correct answer. So this is how we can break the answer. Now next question is question number 32. Which of the following is correct? True and false or not true. If you look at this expression, true and false, it gives you false, or not true. Not true is false. So false or false is false. So next option we'll check. True and not true. False or false, false. This is also not correct, because true and false, false. True and this is true and not false. So true and true, and not true is false. So true or false, it should also give you the true. So this should be the correct answer. Now look at the question. Which of the following expression checks the condition number 1 is not equal to num2? So num1 is not equal to num2. Num is equals to num2 means num1 equal 2 is the option. First option is not correct, but the second option I think is the correct option. Now the next question is, which of the following expression checks the condition number 1 is a factor of num2? It should be num2 modulo num1 should be the correct answer, and that is why if you check num1 slash num2 is a wrong answer. Num1 floor division num2 is also a wrong answer. Num1 modulo num2 is not the correct answer, and num2 modulo num1 is equal to 0 is the correct answer. Num2 modulo num1 is the correct answer. So this is how we can solve these Boolean questions. So if such kind of questions are available in your question paper, you can solve using this logic and or means Boolean operators and relational operators. So if you try these questions, I don't think you'll get the less marks, or you will have you'll get the full marks if you look at this. So this is how we can perform the MCQs in our question paper. So if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, and if you want to subscribe it, kindly subscribe it. So we'll meet in the next video with some more questions. Till then, bye bye.